Sunday, December 4th, we're on our way down to the Gulf Coast from the Metroplex. This is David.
What?
Got Sasquatch, and we got Lee.
He's talking to us.
Sasquatch on his new BMW. Look at that, kind of fancy. BMW. Aaron's new BMW. Move, let's beat that thing.
Hold on. No, don't just start randomly
Let's beat it.
No,
Maybe you can.
Messing with German engineering.
Kevin, why don't you put your fingers down there? That'll help him. It'll help him target it.
Please do.
Yeah, that's in there. We're staying at the Ocean Village Hotel outside, what's the name of the town?
Ocean Village?
Ocean Village, Texas. Not a 5-star, but it's clean and cheap. I think since this is off season, it's we had the gamut.
Oh.
Isn't that right? What do you think about the room?
Oh, room's great.
Got it.
I wasn't coming to open the door for you. I was coming to give you this money. Oop. Make it rain.
Make it rain the cash. And we're in Galveston. The fog is starting to burn off, about 75 degrees. Came by the cemetery to see John Magruder's grave. And here's the story about him. Yeah, we do this a lot when we're on these little road trips. Go by and see dead people. General Magruder.
He defended Galveston from the Yankees.
How did he end up going to Maximilian's army in Mexico? What happened on that deal?
Several Confederate generals went to Mexico, and some went to Egypt
Why?
to serve in the military and for pay.
Yeah.
The Egyptian deal didn't really work out, and of course Maximilian didn't work out either. That's the whole Cinco de Mayo thing.
Do you know that?
I did not know that. Well, other than the parts you told us on the intercom when we're talking shit about you.
When Sam Houston was governor,
You should join that. I mean, it's really kind of embarrassing. Now we have to remember all the good stuff. It's like, what we call him now?
when Sam Houston was governor and the Texans voted for secession, he tried to talk them into invading Mexico. So there was like a weakness in Mexico, and the French had tried to reclaim the title there or some shit, and that lasted until like 1867 or so.
Hey Lee, did you know that?
Yeah, he already told me.
Did you know it before he told you though, didn't you?
He had,
told him.
he had the same history teacher I did.
Whose wife? Who is that? Who's J.P. Davis?
Some old boy.
Oh.
Wealthy man.
Say not good night, but in some brighter clime, bid me good morning.
So talking about like climb gear?
No, climate.
Oh. Getting on the boat. Getting on the boat. Fort Bolivar Ferry in Galveston. saw the forecast and had a couple of 75-degree days coming up on Monday and Tuesday, December 5th and 6th. David, Aaron, and Lee and I decided to go down, check out the ocean south of Galveston. Got a hotel there, taking some back roads. Gonna stay in a hotel up in Palestine. The sign back there said bridges out, local traffic only. Wonder exactly what that means. Guess we'll find out. Lee had a bolt come out of his Baja Designs, 10 millimeter. I said I might have one. I looked into my little grab bag, tricks, and lo and behold, found a bolt that fit.
You're not.
Out in the middle of the piney woods of East Texas. Texas in the fall. Yeah, that bridge is out. I forgot to turn the camera. I thought the camera was on, but it was completely out. We weren't getting across it. Oh, it's about 78 degrees though. Having fun.